Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Like our channel. Mickey, what's up?
Tommy's at the back. Tommy, say hi.
Hi.
Anyways, today I just decided to vlog and just show you what it is like for us, especially when we are trying to get our full goat meat. So what I do is, like, twice a year we go to get goats from the farm, full goats, because I feel it's more convenient and fresh goat meat is always tastier. So we're just waiting for Dad to come now, and then we're going to just get going to the farm. But we always get the male goat because he goat is just so tasty. People don't like it because it smells. They say it has body odor, but now the one we get body odor, now the sweet pass. So when I get goat meat, I'll definitely show you what the full goat looks like. Yeah, wow. See, we have the sheep. Oh, it stinks though. The sheep, and then we have the cows. What does the cow say? Let's go and look at the cows very well. Now come, let's go and look at the cows. We're waiting for Daddy to get back from choosing the goat. So I just told him what I needed. I told him we wanted a male goat, and with the skin on and all that stuff. So yeah. The chicken. Yes, that's the chicken. Fresh goat meat. After bagging the goat meat, I boiled some of it and used part of it for remixed isiewu. And I'm calling it remixed isiewu because it's not the typical isiewu recipe. I used the goat's head to do the isiewu. It was super yum. I have the recipe on YouTube. I'll add the link in the description box. And I also used part of the goat's meat for my homemade shawarma. I grilled it and used it as a stuffing for my homemade shawarma. So if you want to see that recipe, let me know and I'm going to put it up on YouTube as well. We got this for Tommy because she obviously doesn't sit in her high chair anymore. So we got this so that we can sit here and have dinner as well as do assignments. And we just set it up. And she's loving it. It comes with 2 chairs. And yeah. Tommy, do you like your table and chair? What do you say to Mommy and Daddy? Do you say thank you to Mommy and Daddy?
Mommy and Daddy.
There they are. Tommy scooting. I'm having fun with her dad. I can't keep up with them. So yeah, I'm just gradually walking my way down there. Hello everyone. Hello.
Hello.
So today we're making a
Mickey,
we're making a recipe. We're going to make some yummy cupcakes. Okay? Tommy has been asking me to make a recipe with her, so here we go. So now we're going to use flour. We're going to use 2 cups of flour. So let's take the flour. Yes, it's a recipe.
Mickey,
Cupcakes.
cupcake.
Yeah. Some sugar.
What's some sugar?
3/4 cup of sugar. Bless you. We'll put some sugar. Coconut flakes.
Coconut flakes.
Yes, I am. Put this in. Good. Now we're going to mix the dry ingredients together.
Cry is the skin.
Don't spill it. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Mickey. A Mickey recipe.
Yes, you're making a recipe and you're doing an amazing job, Mama. I'm so proud of you. Okay, keep mixing. I'm coming. I'm proud of you. Some melted butter. Okay, help me pour it in. Hold it with mommy. Yes. Milk. 3/4 cup of milk. But we're going to add the ingredients in the description box, guys. So check. Yes, in the description box so they can check out the recipe. And then we're going to use some vanilla extract. Yes. Good. And then we're going to use some, what's this? Eggs. 2 eggs. Yes. Oh, Mama, you're doing an amazing job. Have you ever baked with your toddler before? Tommy has always been on my case. The other day we made, she helped me mix the batter for puff puff. And then she's been saying she wants to make another recipe. So I'm like, okay, you know what? Let's make cupcakes. Put this here. Good. Take another one, put it here.
Okay.
Okay, let me help you separate it. Okay, take that one. Clap for Tommy! You did an amazing job! High five! Yes! These cupcakes are going to be so yummy. Yeah. See, our cupcakes are coming together nicely.
I'm making a recipe.
Yes, you're making a recipe. So that's what it's looking like, guys. Sit down. Okay, let's do 2 more minutes. Still looks wet. And I have been trying out smoothies this period as a meal replacement because I'm just trying to make healthier choices, basically, because my sweet mouth is not nice. So our cake is out of the oven, steaming hot. So yeah, this looks so yum, so yum. Hey Mama, are you having fun? Sit down, breathe. Look, I'm playing ball with Tommy. I'm tired. See Mama? Okay. Get the ball. Good. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Subscribe button.
Say
bye, guys.